Mother's Day 2026 will take center stage on the road race calendar with the inaugural staging of the Run for Mom 5K. The launch was held on Thursday at the Heart and Vascular Center in Kingston.
The Run for Mom 5K race will take place on Mother's Day, May 10, with the aim of fostering community unity and wellness in the heart of Kingston. The Centre of Jamaica will be the main beneficiary. Executive Director of the Centre's foundation, Novlet Howell, highlighted the importance of the run to the Centre's needs.
Actually looking forward, as you know, that we are the organization that really caters to adolescent mothers. And Mother's Day is a big day for mothers in Jamaica. And of course, we are hoping that we'll have a lot of persons coming out to support this venture, being that the Women's Centre is a big beneficiary. We're looking forward to the proceeds because it will advance our A-Stream program, which will go a far way in helping our adolescent mothers further their education.
Senior Medical Officer at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, Dr. Garth MacDonald, had high praises for the initiative, with adolescent mothers being the main target group for assistance.
Yeah, well, it is a great community effort and a great effort for maternal health and adolescent health for Jamaica. It is a positive move in a right direction to support a very important sector of our society, our women, and more specifically our teen mothers who are increasingly vulnerable and in need of even greater support.
Meanwhile, founder of the Heart and Vascular Center and conceptualizer of the race, Dr. Lawrence Scott, explained the thought process behind the initiative.
This initiative is about removing stigma. It's removing stigma from our vulnerable mothers, from our young mothers. It's removing stigma from our communities and in the nation as a whole, in an awareness and in a conversation. So it's interesting that there is fear for TVJ, but the fact is that this community is in full support. The JCF is in full support. In fact, the members of the community are very excited about hosting this initiative and being part of a conversation, a national conversation that empowers them to talk about vulnerability, being vulnerable themselves. So the issue of fear is not even relevant.
Dr. MacDonald made an impassioned plea for support of the event.
I'd love everyone to put all the stigmas away and come out and walk and run on Mother's Day for this very, very worthy cause. The Women's Centre is the major beneficiary. Victoria Jubilee is more interested in being aligned and supporting this move for maternal health more than what we can actually achieve. It's an inaugural run. I would implore all sponsors, all persons who love to run and walk to come out on that day.
The race will take place in and around the Tivoli Gardens community. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.